How to create custom product option in Shopify product. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the simple process to create custom product option for your Shopify store to allow your customers to personalize their purchase just the way they want, like size and colors. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to add custom product option for the customizable product in Shopify without any paid version application. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then first I will show you how easily import and add the product, the customizable product. For example, this one is just an example. You can easily add the product from AliExpress or any e-commerce website. For example, this one, it's give you the option for the colors and size. Then I will show you how easily add this product to your Shopify store and add the product and customizable product on Shopify. Then guys, go to product section. Then first I will show you how easily create the customizable product on Shopify. Then add product on the top. Then first guys, on the title, I prefer to choose the small title. For example, customizable name necklace. Then copy, then paste it. Then paste the title. Then the description section guys, I prefer to choose and create your description. Just go to ChatGPT for example, then type the small description for the name of the product. Then it will give you the small and professional description. Then copy, then again paste it. As you see guys, it's very easy to add the customizable product. Then hit on make it blood. As you see guys, it's more professional. Then guys, on the media section, then guys, if you want to add some pictures, I prefer to go and add open a new browser and in the search bar tap AliSave plus download AliExpress image extension. Then you need to add this extension to your browser. Then you will be able easily import and download any AliExpress picture. For example, the main picture, variation picture, description and all image. Then for example, just hit on main image and wait a few seconds downloading the picture on your Shopify product. It's take a few seconds guys to download this picture. Then you can easily add it to your Shopify product. As you see guys, after adding this picture, it's give you the option to select which and add the name, for example, and the customizable product. As you see guys, the category necklace. Then scroll to pricing section. For example, I will create a random price, for example $40, compared price 49 or whatever you want. Then guys, scroll to the quantity, or I prefer to select 100 and continue selling when out of stock. For example, select this one. Then the shipping weight, you can it's just an optional guys. Then guys, scroll to the bottom and hit on save. Now you are now your customizable product was created successfully. Then now I will show you how easily add and create custom product option on your Shopify store. Then guys, go back and open your online store. Then guys, hit on customize on the top. Then I will show you how easily add and create custom product option without no paid version application or any application Shopify or any Shopify application. Just go back and then on the top hit on home page, scroll to product section, then default product. Then I will show you guys how easily add the custom product option on the under title or above the quantity. Now guys, go directly to add block in the bottom, then hit on add block, then scroll to custom liquid. Just hit on custom liquid, then automatically the custom liquid it will add it to your template. Then guys, I prefer to first you need to select the custom liquid and drag it. You can easily add it under the title, or I prefer to under the title above the price section. Then guys, automatically the custom liquid it will add it automatically, and then automatically the product or custom product option it will add it under the title. Then guys, go and open your custom liquid. Then guys, first you need to add the code on your Shopify. Then it will, just go to description, you will find the code. Then just open the link that you will find on the description. It will take you to the code. You can easily copy the code with the simple process, or just tap on this row and the top, then hit on row. It will give you automatically to copy the code with the easy method. Then copy the code, then again paste it automatically. As you see guys, wait a few seconds, then the custom product option, it will appear automatically. As you see guys, enter custom text, enter your text there and add to cart. Then guys, I prefer to customize this code. Just go to until you find the enter your custom text, then go to enter your custom text. For example, scroll, as you see guys, enter your custom text and remove this, enter your custom text, and add, for example, the customizable product, for example, name or size, whatever you want. For example, your name, just tap your name, for example. As you see guys, it will appear your name later automatically. As you see guys, automatically your name, it will add it to your customizable product on your Shopify. Then guys, hit on save on the top, then hit on save. As you see guys, automatically your custom product option, it will add it automatically. Just you need to add your name and hit on add to cart. It will appear automatically in the purchase section. Then go back. Then if you want to see your custom or your if you want to see your custom product option on your Shopify store, just go back and open your Shopify store, for example, and open your product section. Then select the product that you are created, for example this one. Then hit on this view online store. As you see guys, your custom product option was added successfully with the easy method, only with the simple code that I am with the simple code. Then you can easily customize and create your product and make your product more professional with the custom option product. Then guys, make sure to finish this video and don't forget like and subscribe for more Shopify videos and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.